Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today I'm here to teach you one of the very easy, simplest and fun way of lettering, which is Faux Calligraphy. So Faux Calligraphy is nothing but fake calligraphy which you can do using any kind of writing tools like pencil, you can use fluid ink pens, you can use pigment liners, you can use any kind of ball pens, you can use any kind of sketches, you can use markers, chalks, or any writing tools you have. So traditional calligraphy is all about playing with the contrast between the thin and the thick strokes within the letters. So in the same way, in Faux Calligraphy, we are going to fake this effect by duplicating the downward strokes so that they look thicker than the upward strokes. So when we talk about upstrokes are nothing but the strokes which are created by the upward motion of the pen, and downstrokes are nothing but the strokes which are created by the downward motion of the pen. Okay, so don't get confused, it's going to be quite simple. So you're going to make thin lines in upstrokes and thick or broader line in downstrokes. So hold your pen lightly so that you can create that really thin line when you do the upstrokes. So as you can see, my upstroke lines are really thin. Now I'm going to do the same lines in downstroke. So when I do the downstroke, I'm giving pressure to my pen to make broader or thicker lines. As you can see, my upstrokes are thin and my downstrokes are thick. So this is the major difference which we are going to give. This is the contrast we are going to create in the letters. First, I'm going to letter a few alphabets to show you how this one actually works, how Faux Calligraphy is actually written. So first, I'm going to write alphabet A. Okay. So first, you can use the normal cursive script lettering and write the letter A. And then you have to notice where you are using an upstroke and where you are using a downstroke. The first curve which we drew was an upstroke, so I'm leaving it thin. And then wherever I just used a downstroke, I'm just drawing another line nearby it, and then I'm just filling the shades inside it. So for your understanding, I'm just going to draw arrows where the upward and downward strokes are. So as you can see, this is how the actual Faux Calligraphy works. Next, we are going to write letter B. So as I said earlier, we are going to use the same cursive script lettering and we are going to write the letter B, and then we are going to identify the upstrokes and the downstrokes, and then we are going to shade the downstrokes. As you can see, we have created the normal traditional calligraphy effect even without using a brush pen. So this is what I have done in the title. As you can see, I have written calligraphy using Faux Calligraphy letters. So as you can see, I have shaded all the downstrokes. Now I'm going to letter the word hello. I'm just gonna make it quick so you can see how it actually works. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do follow us on Instagram. I have given the link below in the description box. I just started shading directly because I know where the downstrokes are, but if you are a beginner, you can always use the guidance of the arrows. First draw the arrows and then see where the downstrokes are, and then you can shade it. So next, I'm going to write the word beauty in a little flourished calligraphy way. Okay. So as usual, you have to write the letters in the normal cursive script lettering, and then you have to make sure the letters are wide enough, especially the loops which you make in L and F, all those stuffs. Okay, so next we are going to draw the duplicate downstrokes. For that we are going to make another second line nearby the stem strokes. Once you have finished drawing the second line near the stem stroke, go ahead and fill it in to create that beautiful calligraphy effect. So this Faux calligraphy is a great technique if you want to emulate the calligraphic look on surfaces where you can't really, use the regular calligraphy tools such as chalkboards, walls, wood. So this Faux calligraphy serves that purpose. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.